Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lapras in Pokémon Unite. Lapras is a formidable defender, boasting impressive bulk and special attack capabilities. Its unique shell armor ability allows it to recover health when hit, making it incredibly resilient in prolonged engagements. Mastering Lapras involves understanding its role as a frontline tank, protecting your team, and controlling key areas on the map. Let's dive into its abilities and optimal strategies. Lapras offers a versatile moveset for both offense and defense. Water Pulse provides early-game poke and slows opponents, while also empowering your basic attacks. For your second move, Ice Shard throws ice chunks that damage and freeze foes. Perish Song is excellent for finishing off weakened foes with its damage over time effect. Lapras Express, your Unite move, is a powerful tool for repositioning your team and initiating devastating team fights across the map. Choosing the right items and emblems significantly enhances Lapras's performance. Focus Band is crucial for survivability, offering health recovery when you're low. Slick Spoon amplifies your special attack, making your abilities hit harder by ignoring a percentage of enemy special defense. Buddy Barrier provides valuable shields to you and a nearby ally when you activate Lapras Express. For emblems, aim for 6 green and 6 white to maximize both your special attack and overall health pool. Effective Lapras play involves smart positioning and objective control. In the early game, focus on farming to quickly reach level 5 and unlock your powerful abilities. Utilize Perish Song to secure crucial last hits on wild Pokémon and even enemy players. During team fights, initiate with Lapras Express to transport your team and disrupt the enemy's formation. Always prioritize protecting your squishier damage dealers, using your bulk and crowd control to keep them safe.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.